Namaste. Today we'll continue class with the memory. In last class, we have discussed about the AXI code. AXI code with 7 bits, AXI code with 8 bits. And we discussed about what is a bit and what is a byte. What is a byte? Today we'll continue with that topic. AXI code. AXI code. AXI stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Initially it has 7 bits length, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4, bit 5, bit 6, bit 7. Like this, it has 7 bits length. Next, the latest one is with 8 bit length, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4, bit 5, bit 6, bit 7, bit 8. And we have discussed about how the letters, alphabet, that means capital letters E to Z and small letters A to Z are converted to the AXI code, and again the AXI code is converted to the binary numbers. So bit is a single digit. Bit is a binary digit. Bit is a binary digit. What is a bit? It is a binary digit. Binary digit. What is BI? First two letters BI and last letter will be combined. It comes bit. Okay. What is a bit? It is smallest memory unit. It is the smallest memory unit. Bit is a smallest memory unit. Smallest memory unit. In one bit, how many digits we can store? Only one digit. In one bit, we can store either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. In one bit, we can store either 0 because binary numbers will have only two values, that is 0 and 1. In one bit, we can store one digit, either 0, either 1. Either 0, 1. With a single bit, how many possible combinations are there? With a single bit, that means one bit, with a single bit, how many possible combinations? Number of bits, possible combination. Number of bits, possible combinations. With a single bit, we have two possible combinations. We have seen yesterday. With single bit, we have two possible combinations. With 2 bits, we have how many possible? 4. 3 bits, 8. 4 bits, 16. How it is coming? 2 power n, where n is number of bits. 2 power n, where n is number of bits. 2 power n, and where n is number of. What is the? With 1 bit is equal to 2 power. That means 1 bit. This is the bit. This is the base. What is base for? Binary numbers. Base for binary numbers. What is the base for binary number? 2. 2 is the base for binary number and 1 is the bit. So with 1 bit, 2 possible combinations. Now 2 square, that means number of bits. What is here? 2 is number of bits. 2 cube. What is 3? Number of bits. This is the base or radix of prime numbers. Now 2 to the power of 4. This is number of bits. 2 to the power number of bits. Bits. Okay, number of bits. 5 bits. With 5 bits, how many possible combinations? 32. How? 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay. Now 5 is number of bits. With 6 bits, 64. How it is coming? 2 to the power of 6. Number of bits. Number of bits. 6 is number of bits. With 7 bits, 128. With 7 bit, 128. 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 7. 7 is number of bits. 7 is number of bits. With 8 bits, 256. 250, that is 258. 6 to the power of 8. Number of, where is it? It is number of bits. Number of bits. So, yesterday we have discussed with except ASCII code. In that ASCII code, we have 1. Old one is 7 bits length. Old one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the bit 1, B1, B2, bit 3, B4, B5, B6, B7. So, what are the possible combinations with 7 bits? 128 possible combinations. 128 possible combinations. 128 possible combinations. Now, possible combinations. If you observe here, with ASCII code 7 bit length. ASCII code 7 bit length. With ASCII code 7 bit length, we have 128 possible combinations. 128 possible combinations. In the keyboard, we may have letters, digits, special characters, and mathematical symbols also. We can type mathematical symbols, symbols in physics, symbols in chemistry. So, letters. That's small capital A to capital Z, 26. Small a to small z, 26. Digits 0 to 9, 10. That means 52, 62, and special characters. Special characters may be 10 or 20, 82, and mathematical symbols may be 30. Example, take an example. Physics symbol 30. Chemistry like this, chemistry symbols we may have. So, how many are there? 112, 142, 172, like this. 172, and many more symbols, We may have many more symbols, which are used in other technologies. Many more symbols. So, ASCII code 7 bit length can have 128 possible combinations. 128 possible. What is the 128? So that ASCII code is not suitable to represent all the characters, letters, symbols, mathematical physics domain. So it would have, now it is converted. It is the latest ASCII code will have. That is the reason the ASCII code is changed to 8 bit. 8 bit, because 128 possible combinations cannot suit for all these to represent letters, digits, special characters, mathematical symbols, physics symbols, and chemistry symbols, and so on. It has more values. So we'll take ASCII code 8 is the latest one. Now bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4, bit 5, bit 6, bit 7 and bit 8. Bit 8. What are the possible combinations with 8 bit? 8 bit possible combinations are 256. Possible combination 2 to the power of 8. So 8 bit is equal to 8 bit. 2 to the power of 8. 8 bits is equal to 2 to the power of 8. What is the possible combination? 256 combination. 256 combination. So now we can have more than 1 to 72 combination. We can have more than 1 to 72 in 8 bits. That's why 8 ASCII code 8 bit is a suitable for to represent all the letters, digits, characters, symbols. Now, so ASCII code 7 bit will have 128 possible combination. ASCII code 8 bit will have 256 possible combination. 256 possible combinations. That's why we use system is using 8 bit ASCII code. Now, RAM, hard disk, flash memory, in memory we have different types of memory like RAM, hard disk, flash memory. This memory is measured in the form of bits. What is the bit? Smallest memory unit. Smallest memory unit. Smallest memory unit. Smallest memory unit. So if you want to purchase a laptop, new laptop, we look for the components like RAM, hard disk. Because we are concerned about the only memory. We'll take these two components. RAM. We look for RAM. That means in the latest system we may have 5 GB RAM, 5 GB RAM. In latest hard disk we may have 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. IRGB or 1 terabyte. We look for these components with these parameters. We look for these RAM and ROM, and sizes of RAM may be 8 GB. We can go in 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB like this. And hard disk is 5 GB and 1 terabyte, maybe 1 terabyte. We look for these components with these parameters. What is GB here? What is GB here? We look. GB stands for gigabytes. And TB stands for terabytes. TB stands for terabyte. What is a smallest memory unit? Now, in one bit we can have either 0 or 1. Either 1 bit we have either 0 or 1. If you group 3 bits, 4 bits, we group 4 bits like this. This is bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4. We group 3 bits. Make 0, 0 or 0, 0, 0, 1. We group 4 bits like this. If we group 4 bits like this, it is called nibble. What is nibble? It is a 4 bits. And what is nibble? It is a 4 bits. 4 bits. With 4 bits, how many possible combinations are? 2 power 4. 2 to the power 4. What is it? Total 16 combinations. With 4 bit, we have 16 combinations. With 4 bit, we have 16 combinations. Now, if we group 8 bits, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4, bit 5, bit 6, bit 7, and bit 8. If we group 8 bits, it is called 1 byte. It is called 1 byte. If we group 8 bits, we have 1 byte. We can fill the zeros and 1 like this. Zeros and 1 like this. What are the possible combinations with 1 byte? That means 2 to the 8. That is called 256 possible combinations. 256, that means possible combinations. Possible, that means 256 values. It will store 256 values. Possible combination means it will store, we can store 256 possible values. Okay. So, memory is measured in bits. And bit is the smallest unit of memory. Nibble contains 4 bits. And byte contains 8 bits. Byte contains 8 bits. Now, eight bits means byte means 8 bits. That means byte means 8 bits. Value is 256. Value is 256. That is equal to 2 to the power of 8 to 256. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 9, 2 to the power of 10, 2 to the power of 10. Yesterday we have discussed this one in series method. Discussing the series 2 power 0, 1, 2 power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 to the power of 4, 16, 2 to the power of 5, 32, 2 to the power of 6, 64, 2 to the power of 7, 128, 2 to the power of 8, 256, 2 to the power of 9, 512, 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. 1024. That means 2 to the power of 10 is called kilobyte. 2 to the power of 10 is called kilobyte, that is called 10 bits. That is 1024 bits. 2 to the power of 10, 1024 bits, it is called kilobyte. That means 1000 bits is equal to 1 KB. That is approximately equal to 1000 bits. In computer, 1024 bits has been taken as 1000 bits. Okay, it is 1 KB. 1 KB. K means 1 kilo. 1 kilo bytes. 1 kilo bytes. 1 kilo bytes. 1 kilo bytes. That is 1 into 1024 bits. That is called 1 into 1024 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bits. Okay. Now 2 to the power of 11, 2048. 2 to the power of 11, 2048. That means 2048. How many KBs? 1 KB is equal 1024. 1 KB is equal 1024. 24. Now, what about 48? How many kb's? How many kb's? Cross multiply. That means 2 to the power of 48 by 1024 is equal to 2 kb. Is equal to 2 kb. 20 to the 48 becomes 2 kb. Now, 2 to the power of 12. 2 to the power of 12. 9604. Now, observe here. 1 kb is equal to 20. What about 4096? 4096 bits. How many kb's are there? How many kb's? It will become how many kb's? That means 4096 divided by 1024. That is called 3 kb. That is called 3 kb. That is called, this is called 2 kb. This is called 3 kb. This is called 3 kb. Now, 2 to the power of 20. 2 to the power of 20. That means 1024. 2 to the power of 20. How many kb's? How many kb's? Or how many bits? How many kb's or how many bits? We can take 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1 kb. 2 to the power of 20 is equal to how many kb's? How many kb's? How many kb's? Now, we can return 2 to the power of 20 as 2 to the power of 20 can be written as 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 10 into, because we can, in mathematics, we can write 2 to the power of 20 as by using mathematics formula. That means we are using this formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m in mathematics we have this formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. When bases are same, we can add the powers. When bases are same, we can add the powers. We are applying this formula here. We are applying the same formula here. 2 to the power of 10. That means base is same. Here base is same. So we can write 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 20 as 2 to the power of 10 and 2 to the power of 10. What is value of 2 to the power of 10? 1 kb. 1 kb. Another 1 kb. 1 kb into 1 kb. That means 1024 into 1024 bits. 1 kb is equal to 1024 bits and 1 kb is equal to 1024 bits. That is called 1 megabit. 1 megabytes. 1 kb into 1 kb is equal to 1 megabyte. So this is 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte. Next. Megabyte. Next, 2 to the power of 21. 2 to the power of 21. That means 2 to the, what is value of 2 to the power of 21? 2 to the power of 20 plus into 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 21 can be written as 2 to the power of 20 into 2. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. What about 2 to the power of 20? 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte. That means 2 megabytes. 2 megabytes. So 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 10 is 2 megabytes. What is 2 to the power of 21? 2 is equal to, by applying the formula a power m. In mathematics we have this formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That means when bases are same, powers will be added. Now 2 to the power of 21 can be written as 2 to the power of 20 into 2 to the power of 1. What is 2 to the power of 1? It is 2, and what is 2 to the power of 20? Is 1 megabyte. So 2 megabyte. 2 to the power of 21 is equal to 2 megabyte. What is 2 to the power of 25? 2 to the power of 25. That is 2 to the power of 20 into 2 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 5. Now this can be 2 to the power of 25 can be written as 32. 2 to the power of 10 is megabyte. 32 megabytes. 32 megabytes. Like this, we can write KBs, MBs, and bytes. Now, 2 to the power of 30. 2 to the power of 30 can be written as 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 30 can be written as 2 to the power of 10. We are applying the formula a power m into a power n into a power x is equal to a power m plus n plus x. A power m plus n x. We are applying this formula. This is mathematical formula. We are applying this formula here. So, what is the 2 to the power of 10? 1 kb into 1 kb into 1 kb. 1 kb. Okay. This can be also written as 2 to the power of 20 into 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 20. That is a megabyte, 1 megabyte. 2 to the power of 20 is 1 megabyte into 1 kilobyte. 1 megabyte into 1 kilobyte. 1 meg it is called gigabyte. 2 to the 30 is called gigabyte. 2 to the power 30 is called 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. So if we observe here, what is 1 GB RAM? GB RAM means 1 gigabytes. 1 gigabyte. It will occupy 1 gigabyte space. Now, 2 to the power of 31. 2 to the power of 31 can be written as 2 to the power of 30 into 2 to the power of 1. So 2 GB. 2 GB. 2 GB. That means your RAM is 2 GB. Can we take 2 to the 30 into 2 to the power of 1 bits. Okay. Now 2 to the power of 32. 2 to the power of 32. 2 square into 2. That is called 4 GB. That is called 4 GB. Like this, your memory is better. Like this, your memory is better. Now, 2 to the power of 36. 2 to the power of 36 is equal to 2 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 30. 2 to the power of 60 is equal to 64. 64 GB. 2 to the power of 30 GB. 2 to the power of 30 is equal to GB. 2 to the power of 40. 2 to the power of 40 can be written as 2 to the power of 20 into 2 to the power of 20. That is equal to 2 to the power of 30 is 30 into 2 to the power of 10. That is equal to GB, 1 GB into 1 KB. 1 GB into 1 KB. This is written as terabyte. 1 terabyte. So 2 to the power of 40 is equal to 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. Now 2 to the power of 41 is equal to 2 to the power of 41 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 40. That means 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes. Like this, we can measure the memory up to terabytes and so on. Even petabytes are there. Tomorrow we'll discuss same thing at the same time. That means 2 to the power of 20 is called billion. 2 to the power of 30 is called million. 2 to the power of 20 is a million. 2 to 30 is a billion. 2 to the power of 20 trillion. Tomorrow we'll discuss the same thing at the same time. Thank you.
చేస్తారా?
चटनी में होती
ఇది ఆపు కాదు. మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఇది ఆఫ్ చేయండి.